Let me ask you this. If you were starting YouTube today, what niche would you choose? Because let's be real, not every niche is created equally. Some niches will literally explode your growth in 2025, while others, well, they will just waste your time and energy. So in this video, I am breaking down the best YouTube niches in 2025, what they actually make, niches you should avoid, and how to pick the right one for you. So stick with me to the end because I've got some advice that can literally save you months of trial and error. Alright, so why does your niche even matter? Simple. Your niche is like your home on YouTube. It tells your audience what to expect and it helps YouTube know who to recommend your videos to. So think of it this way. If today you post cooking tutorials, tomorrow you are posting a gaming video, and the next week you are posting financial advice, YouTube will be confused. Your audience will be confused, and guess what?
Yogurt.
But when you stick to a niche, YouTube says, oh, this channel talks about this topic. Let's show it to more people interested in that topic. And that's how you grow faster on YouTube. Now, before we dive into the best niches, let's clear up two terms you will hear a lot: CPM and RPM. CPM stands for cost per mile or cost per 1,000 views. This is how much advertisers are willing to pay to show ads on your video. RPM, on the other hand, is revenue per mile. This is basically what you as a creator actually earn per 1,000 views after YouTube take its cut. So for example, if your CPM is around $10, your RPM might be around $5 to $7, depending on your audience and the ad placement. This is why some niches make way more money than others, even with the same number of views. All right, now let's talk about the juicy parts, the best niches for 2025. Drum roll. Number one is finance and investing. They have a high CPM of around $15 to $30. People are always looking for money tips. People are always looking for how to make money online, and advertisers are paying big. Examples of this kind of videos are budgeting videos, side hustle, crypto, investing, etc. Number two is tech and AI. They have a CPM of around $10 to $20. With AI tools, gadgets, and reviews trending, this niche is only getting hotter by the day. Number three is health and fitness. They have a CPM of $5 to $10, which is workout routine, nutrition advice, weight loss journey, very, very evergreen. Number four, education and online learning. They have a CPM of around $8 to $15. Here you have tutorial videos, how-to guide, language learning. People love learning online. Number five, lifestyle, productivity, and self-improvement. They have a CPM of around $6 to $12. Here you have time management videos, study tip content, personal growth, easy to start with, relatable content. Number six, you have content creation / YouTube tip. They have a CPM of around $7 to $15. This is perfect if you are passionate about helping people to grow online. Of course, you don't need to chase the highest CPM. The best niche is the one you can stick with consistently while still earning well. Now, with all these options that I have listed, how do you pick the right one? Here are three quick checks I'm going to give to you. Number one is interest. Can you actually talk about this niche you are choosing for the next 2 to 3 years without getting bored? Two, knowledge. Do you know enough to teach, to share, or to entertain in that niche? Remember that you don't need to be an expert. You just have to be willing to learn as you go. Number three, audience demand. Are people actively searching for this topic on YouTube? If you can tick at least two of these boxes, you've probably found your niche. Now let's talk about the other side of the coin, which are the niches you should totally avoid in 2025. Not every niche is worth your time, and picking the wrong one can leave you frustrated, stuck, and barely earning anything. So here are a few red flags you should look out for. Number one is random daily vlogs with no unique angle. Unless you already have a big following, posting day in my life videos with nothing new or exciting won't get you traction. YouTube is way too competitive now. Instead, if you love lifestyle content so much, you can add a theme or storyline that makes it interesting, like student life vlogs or mom routines. Number two, drama and gossip channels. Sure, they grow fast, but they are unstable. One copyright strike, community guideline violation, or backlash, and your channel could vanish. Plus, advertisers don't pay much for this type of content, so the long term value is very, very low. Number three, low CPM niches. For example, kids cartoon, random meme compilation, or re-uploading TikToks. Even if you will get views, advertisers don't pay much, and sometimes these videos aren't even monetizable. Number four, which is even the most important one, content you don't enjoy. This one is very personal, but very important. If you pick a niche just because it makes money, but you secretly hate it, you will burn out and quit before you even start seeing the results. So here is my advice. Avoid these traps. Instead, go for niches where you can add value, niches that you enjoy the process and still earn well. If you are new or struggling right now, here is my biggest advice. Start messy. Don't wait until you have the perfect camera, the perfect mic, or niche idea. Just start creating and let the process teach you. Remember that your first 20 to 30 videos are practice. Treat them as your training ground. As you post, you will see what your audience responds to and what you enjoy making. So there you have it, the best YouTube niches in 2025, niches to avoid, and how to pick the right one. If you've got value from this video, don't forget to smash that like button, subscribe for more YouTube growth tips, and let me know in the comments, what niche are you starting or thinking about? Trust me, the earlier you start, the faster you will learn. So go create that channel, and I'll see you in my next video. Thank you very much for watching.